welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the Pickup Vlog YouTube channel. And as you guys see in by the title, yes, we got a complaint video on this video. I mean, my next door neighbor, not this neighbor that I was talking about in a few videos when I made the video about the modification that, you know, my neighbor that does music, not that one. The new neighbor that moved next door, he actually complained about, I'm gonna show you right now. Or why I show you why they complain. Yes, I will need the jump box. So yeah, let me show you why are they complaining. Boom. It's in fact, this is why they're complaining. Because we have this piece of junk, you know, just sitting in front of their house. But let's get this, you know, get the truck started now. So I just put the jump box. Why does my camera look like this? It looks a little better, but still. So now turn it on. Now we're still gonna try to turn it on after being sitting here since the last video I made about this truck. So it works. Let's see. I just gonna turn the switch off, turn it back on. Let's hope for the best. Oh, yes, she started, but I think she feels a little weird. I can't feel the truck. My God, the whole truck is shaking. Oh wait, the shaking went out. What is wrong with this truck? Wow. After being sitting for a long time, it started just fine, but I'm not gonna do nothing now because that's my dad's plan. He told me just to start the truck up, leave it running for a while until he gets home from work, and then I don't know what his plans are. Probably wanna put it on my driveway. And yeah, let's hope for the best. Like I said in the beginning of the video, yes, we had a complaint from my neighbors here. I just had the truck sitting in front of their house. Not covering their entries or, you know, their mailbox. None of that. But I get it. Having this piece of junk in front of their house, it's just not what one person wants. So I absolutely get it. But first, let's get a rev up of this V6 3.6, I think. Yeah, no, 3.0. I don't know. Just let's rev it up. Rip. Oh wait, what? Probably can see the engine. Oh. My foot. I'm gonna put my foot completely to the floor for 2 seconds. I'll probably blow the engine of the truck like this, so I probably should stop doing this because we do have a lot of miles on this truck, but I think she still can run a little more, so I'm not gonna try to blow the whole engine bay, but it's fun. Enough of that nonsense. The truck is now really settled down, but I want to try to turn on this radio. I wanted to see if it works. This radio, by the way, is new. But what I can tell that is not turning on. Probably if I push the radio off here. There's a wire disconnected. I don't know. It should turn on. It was working just fine. But anyway, let's wait until my dad comes and let's see what his decision is for this piece of junk. I mean, it's not a piece of junk. It works. The truck runs just fine. But you know, we need inspection. We need new wheels. We need a lot of things. There's a lot of hiding damage that there will be in an upcoming video. Or if not, I just probably mentioned one of the biggest damage. That is, in fact, the suspension of this truck. That is really bad. But enough of this nonsense. Let's get the hood closed. And yeah, I'll see you guys outside. So I just got off of the truck, but I want to show you that this truck is in really mint condition. I mean, I'm not, you know, talking about the exterior of the truck, but I mean the engine bay. It's just, you cannot feel the inside of this truck. Like, it did shake the first time when I started up, but then it just settled down, and I could check the truck. The engine this is a mint condition engine. This is stock engine, stock transmission, as you guys all know. 300,000 miles, but there's nothing like this truck. God bless Ford. So we got my dad inside the truck. He's gonna move the truck, buck the truck up or whatever. Put the radio back. Oh, now it turned on. Es que you can use it, tú puedes usarlo. Con radio nuevo, ¿viste?
Radio nuevo y todo suelto ahí.
¿Y cómo estaba con el radio viejo?
Todo estaba ahí en orden, bocina, todo, planta, everything. Hasta que llegaron ustedes se jodió todo.
Trash.
Se jodió toda la madre.
Es que tú puedes usarla, es que tú eres el que no la quiere usar. Mira, oh my god.
¿Cómo está el cloche?
Oh,
El cloche como que no, está raro. Está raro este cloche.
Esta está mejor que cualquier otro vehículo.
¿Y cómo está el gasolina?
Ella está quemando gasolina ahí. Oh. Tú puedes usarla. Well, primero, we need to fix the heater. That's one more thing that, you know, why my dad is not using the truck. We need to fix the heater. It has no heater. And we need to fix the shocks. Like I said, the suspension of this truck is horrible. But yeah. Huh? Okay. I mean, the truck is running just fine. Just fine. I mean, I'm not a mechanic or anything, but the truck is just doing like their job. It has power because the truck does has power. And I just like to play with the transmission. What an idiot. But other than that, the truck is just doing just fine.
La voy a parquear acá.
¿Dónde?
Arribita. Esto es público aquí. Voy a aprender.
Tampoco puedes dejarla tanto tiempo aquí, lo sabes. No puedes parquearla porque mira lo que hay ahí. Eso es la línea.
Yo sé,
¿A cruzar?
aquí sí puedo.
Tampoco pueden.
No.
No, because en entrada.
La dejo ahí al frente. La dejo allí.
¿Dónde?
Frente al carro. No, eso es mío.
¿Frente al igual?
En mi carro.
Pero tiene que...
Ahí nadie puede ser.
Este es tú por
Tengo
con...
que hablar con Christopher a ver si me da un break allá abajo.
A ver si qué.
A ver si me da un break allá abajo.
¿Para parquearla?
O si no, le tengo que sacarle
Presión.
todo un 200 y pico. 200 y pico.
Es que tú, diablo, ¿tú no quieres
Tengo que
pagarla?
hablar con José a ver cuándo, qué hora viene.
He loves the truck. Yeah, wait! Now how am I gonna get out? Oh my god. laughing just. Oh, okay. I think I might get out. What the hell? Having just fine. It just look me. I'm fat for this shit. But yeah, the tiny little truck in the family might be leaving the family soon. Not yet, we don't know. But yeah guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. We have the truck parked in front of our house. Yes, I will say sorry to our neighbors. It's just I get having a car that it looks like junk, which pretty much is, but is at the same time it's not. As you guys see, the truck just rides just fine. The truck moves. The truck just does everything. This, like I said, I was planning to use this truck as a project vehicle. My plans with this truck was to rebuild the whole truck, like especially the bed of the truck. That's the worst part of the truck. As you guys gonna see now, we got like parts like, they're open right here. Just, they suck. But yeah guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. But with that being said, this vlog is over and I'm out. Before we end with today's video, I'm gonna try to start the truck up because it has been sitting here for an hour and it's turned off. But first we need to fire up the platinum because this is an upcoming video. But anyway, I'm gonna try to see if the truck will start. Come on, I got faith. Yeah. Well, she started.